Okay, so Martina creates a graph of a function g by applying the transformation to f. Which transformation did Martina apply? Well, remember that this stuff up here, the power, the power of the exponent, that right there is that's our horizontal shift. That's the left or right. And it's the opposite of the sign. So if it's a positive number, you go to the left, right? So if it's positive, that means you go to the left. And if it's negative, that means you go to the right, that many units from the parent function. So to figure out what she did, we got to find the difference between the two. So what I really got to do is 2 plus or minus a number, we'll just call it x, we don't know what it is, ended up equaling a positive 7. Does that make sense? So she did something to get from here to here. What did she do? And maybe I shouldn't use the letter x. I can see how that could confuse people. Let's use the letter c. So now we're going to add 2 to both sides. And we get c equals positive 9. In other words, she said, I got negative 2. I'm going to add 9 to it. And that will give me a positive 7. So it's a positive 9. So that means that she moved 9 units. What does a positive number mean? You move which direction? To where? Left. You said left, but you pointed to the right. I was joking with my daughter. She says that she has to wear a bracelet on her left hand. She does dance. She's kind of smart. She's good at math. Oh, that's going to be on the YouTube video. She's going to be math. Oh, well, we'll leave it in. She's going to take calculus.